Question number 2 wants us to find A when P is equal to 6,000, R is equal to 4.5%, and T is equal to 9 months. So we need to use the second formula. A is equal to 6,000 times 1 plus 0.045 times, now 9 months, we need to express that in years. And 9 months is not quite 1 year. It's a fraction of a year. So because there are 12 months total in 1 year, to express 9 months as years, this would be 9 over 12. So I just need to type this in. And I get $6,202.50.